Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your lifestyle. In today's video, we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet caps ideas that are perfect for any season. Hope so you like this video in different collections. So please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Check out these stylish designs that you can customize to fit your style and size. We will show you how to crochet beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques, plus cord tips on how to customize these beautiful and customized babies crochet cap designs ideas perfect for every season. You decor your crochet caps with the help of different accessories like crochet work, flowers, pom-pom, beads, pearls, stones, butterfly, and many other accessories you use and decor your caps easily. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet beautiful and stylish crochet caps designs ideas. These are amazing and comfortable. And that best part, you can wear this cap with anything. Pair it with a cozy sweater, jacket, leather jacket, or a floral dress for a chic and comfort look. And if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website, Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and ideas easily. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please be share your finished crochet work caps designs ideas with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work like crochet work, baby frocks, baby cap, baby's booties, ladies dresses, ladies bag, handbags, and many other ideas, home decoration ideas, and many different patterns. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, DIY tutorial, and full detailed videos. See you in the next video. Hope you like this video in different collection. If you want more information, so please visit my channel and watch my more different ideas till end. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my channel. How are you?